Why are you trying to avoid the enumerator from the statistics office?
Why not? I don't know what he wants.
He wants to talk to you. You see all this talk about rising unemployment, high youth unemployment, all this talk of jobs. So you need to create jobs. You ever wonder how governments decide what types of jobs to create? What skills training programs should be implemented and in what areas? Well, all of that information is collected from the labor force survey, which is conducted by enumerators. It's important. Thanks to that survey, we know more about what kind of jobs people have, how much they make, and what industry they work in.
Oh, so when my daughter called the statistics office to ask how many women are working in construction, that's how they knew the answer.
Yes, Mary.
Am I part of the labor force?
Mary, you know what? Let's just ask the enumerator. Here he is. Ask him.
Am I part of the labor force?
If you're 15 years and older and working or not working, but available and willing and able to work and actively seeking employment, then yes, you are part of the labor force.
What does that mean?
Actively seeking employment? This means you are sending applications, you're making calls, sending emails, and asking friends and family for work.
Oh, like how I asked my brother for a job.
Exactly. So if your household is selected, an enumerator will visit for no more than an hour. They will ask you about things like your employment status, education, and training opportunities.
Why was my house selected?
It's done randomly. That's the only way to get a representative picture of the country's workforce. It's very important, not just for governments. Businesses can use the information to make decisions about wages. Schools and universities can use the information to train people to meet the real needs of employers. By taking part in the survey, you ensure that your voice is heard in the decision-making process, shaping policies which affect you, everyone in the country, and the OECS as a whole.
So it really does matter that I participate?
Yes, Mary. So next time you see the labor force survey enumerator coming, don't close your door. Help out, participate. They just want to talk to you. And remember, they will always show you a piece of ID.
This message is brought to you by the National Statistics Office with support from the OECS Commission and the Government of Canada.